Hello there. I have a book to read for you. This one is called The Little Blue Truck. It is such a fun book. I wonder, have you heard it before? You might have. It's such a good one. It's written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when the Little Blue Truck went rolling by. It's this toad. I pointed to this toad, but it's really this toad. He's the one winking. Can you see? Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said, peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said the duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. So many animals he's greeting. Oh, honk, yelled the dump truck. Coming through! I've got big important things to do. I haven't got the time to pass the day with every duck along the way. It's busy. Room went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. Oof. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and the mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the truck. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said Dump to the Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Wink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep. And off they go, and that's the end of The Little Blue Truck. Thank you for reading with me today. I'll see you next time for another story and more songs. Goodbye!